Hey guys, how y'all doing? My name is Salieu. I'm a digital marketer and also a mobile geek. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use Chromakey on Inshot. Mind you guys, there are a lot of apps that got this feature, Chromakey, okay? Like, let me just mention some of the apps that got this Chromakey. Let me start with the two best editing apps for 2022, VN and VLLO. KineMaster, Adobe Premiere Rush, Alight Motion, iMovie, Splice, right? There are a lot of apps, CapCut, all these guys. CapCut also is an amazing app, guys. All right, so all these apps, they got this Chromakey feature. But if you know, guys, how to use Chromakey on Inshot, you will also be able to use Chromakey on all the other editing apps, because the editing procedures are pretty much the same. Mind you, Inshot is one of the simplest editing app. All right, like it has, you can simply, like, even the free version of Inshot, you can simply remove the watermark, okay? Like, compared to KineMaster is a great app, but there's no way you can remove that watermark. All right, but for YouTubers or for people who love this video editing stuff, I recommend you guys to use these three apps as for 2022. Okay, a lot of apps like VN, VLLO, KineMaster, Adobe Premiere Rush, iMovie, Splice, okay, Filmora, okay, iMovies, Power Director. But for 2022, I recommend you guys to try these three apps, okay, to edit your videos, because they have like a lot of amazing features. VN, VLLO, Inshot. I recommend you guys to use these three apps if you are like a video editor or you love to do video editing on mobile phones. Okay, I recommend you to use these three apps. Well guys, okay, so first guys, let's go to our Inshot. Okay, this is the Inshot app, guys. If you don't have it, guys, go to Play Store and download it. As you see, this is the logo of the app. That's why I just don't want to take you guys to Play Store. Okay, if you are using like an Android or smartphone, guys, just go to your Play Store and download this app if you don't have it. Okay, first we need to tap on the app and open the app, then tap on videos, guys. All right, after that, guys, we tap on the plus icon. All right, when we tap on the plus icon, guys, we need to extract our video. All right, in case like this is the video, but I want to use Chromakey on this video, I want to use green screen on this video. All right, so let me try to remove the whole volume first, guys. Okay, this is the video. This is one of my video, guys. So as you see, this is the video. So now I want to use guys, a green animation in this video. All right, or there is a green screen video which I want to use on this one, guys. First, what I need to do, guys, this one, guys, let me show you. As you see, guys, peep. Okay, I need to tap that, guys. I need to tap that, then extract the video, the green screen video. All right, so I need to tap it like this, guys, then choose the green screen which I want to remove. Let me say, for example, this snake. All right, guys, so as you see, it's 9 minutes long, so it's up to me how long I want to expand this one, guys. You see, it's just an example. All right, let me say I want to leave it like this, guys. If I want, I will duplicate it, guys. If I want the duration of this one, guys, for example, okay, let me just try to remove this green background. All right, guys, so first what you need to do, Chroma. All right, first, guys, I need to, this is the Chromakey, guys. I just need to tap on that, guys, to remove this one. Let's say this is where I want the snake to be, guys. Let me like this, guys. Let me just try to expand it a little bit like this. All right, so all I need to do, guys, is to tap on this Chromakey, guys. All right, and tap on where I want. As you see, guys, it do not, as you see, guys, to remove it all, guys, I just need to strengthen the Chromakey, guys, to remove everything. Okay, all the green screen effect, and that is it. So it's up to me to remove it. As you see, guys, no, not 20%. Let me leave it like something like 80, 85, something like it. Up to you, guys. You can do this till you remove the whole green background. All right, so if I check on this one now, guys, you can simply see what is happening now. All right, do you see, guys? You can do this, guys, for animated subscribe button. I can expand it, I can arrange it anywhere I want on the video, guys. All right, so that is it, guys. as you see, guys. So this is how I normally do. You can do this, guys, for anything, like for animated subscribe button. You can also do the same. If I want also, guys, I need to check on this one to save it. All right, if I also want to add another green screen, guys, I need to do the same. All right, I need to tap on peep, guys. Here, that is it, and plus add it and take this, yeah, this globe, sorry guys, yeah. Okay guys, if you have something like this, guys, I will also split this one. All right, tap on it like this, guys. So you see, guys, okay, tap on it, split, yeah, and delete it. Now I have left to the green screen, guys. All right, so to remove this one, guys, I just need to do the same thing, guys. Tap on chroma key like this. All right, yeah, as you see, guys, I have removed everything, so there is no need for me to strengthen anything. All right, let me just leave it 20 because it's okay like this and it's perfect like that. All right, so well, let me just leave it like 50, then check on it like this. If I want to expand it, guys, I will expand it. I will move it anywhere I want, as you see, guys. All right, yeah, I will move it anywhere I want on my video like this, guys. All right, so as you see now, we have got like two let me tap on the check mark. So as you see, guys, now yeah, you see that if I want to increase the volume or reduce the volume of this one, guys, I just need to come there again. All right, and let's say I want to remove the volume or I want to add the volume of this one, I will simply add it. I will simply remove the whole volume. All right, so that is it, guys. You can do this, guys, any, like for example, this is just an example, guys. If you have like any sort of green background animation, something like this is the way to do it. All right, guys. So as you see, guys, this is not how to edit the app. All right, but if you want to learn, guys, how to edit the app, guys, or you have no idea on how to edit the app, just let me know in the comment down below. All right, now we have got two yeah, green screen on the video. As you see, the first one is snake. All right, yeah, that is it. Yeah, the second one is this one, guys, the glow. All right, like this, guys. All right, so this is all about the video, guys. And if you have any question concerning this video, guys, just let me know. All right, if you want to learn how to edit on this app, guys, let me know in the comment down below. All right, I'm gonna make a complete tutorial on how to use Inshot in depth. All right, so that is all. If I want to save this, I just need to tap here, guys. All right, and save it automatically, guys. That is it. Yeah, that is it, how to save it, guys. So yeah, but I since I don't want to save it, let me just yeah, cancel it. Have any question, guys, just let me know in the comment section down below. All right, I'll try my best, guys, to reply you. And mind you, if this is your first time, guys, to check out my channel, please smash that subscribe button and hit that beautiful icon so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Right, peace.